Let's BIM together Revit tip number 12. Modify a parameter for all types of a family quickly. Now, if you ever messed around with parameters of a family, especially a family that has many different types, you may notice this thing here. So I'm going to click Edit Type here. We have our partition panel that I selected. And we have manufacturer A type, manufacturer B type, manufacturer C type, all the way down to I, right? Manufacturer I. And here's the model, right? So if you wanted to delete this one, you would have to click here. Let's say delete him, click apply. Then you're going to go to H and it's back. And you want to empty this parameter out, right? So you could do this one by one. Obviously, it's not that many here. But once I came across a steel beam family that had like hundreds of types, or not hundreds, but let's say about 100 types, and it was not a reasonable thing to do. So I came across a workaround, and I want to share it with you guys. So to do that, you would have to go to the family editor. So we're going to click Edit Family. Then we're going to go here, and again, it's the same thing when you click Identity Data. If you just do this regularly, it would be the same exact thing. So I'm going to click, we already emptied this one out. Actually, we did not save changes. But if you were to delete this guy, and you go to the next type, you still have to delete him again, and you have to go all the way to A. However, if you use a formula, you can actually wipe them all in one shot. So let's say I just want for my model, I'm just going to wipe this out. For model, I'm just going to say quote, quote, and then I'm going to click apply. Now, a formula actually works for all the types. So now that even if I erase this formula, because now you can't type this in because it's driven by a formula. So if I delete this formula and I go to A, now A is changed, B, and so on. So all these got updated. So let's say I want to do, again, same scenario. If I wanted to say made by Arthur, which is me, click apply. Again, it only would show up on manufacturer A, but it's not going to show up on anything else. So a quick solution for that is you could just enter it in quotes because it is a formula. You do have to use quotes. So I'm going to click apply here, and then I'm going to delete it. That way it's modifiable later. So then apply again. Now I'll go through all my types and it's there. So I'm not sure if you already knew this, but I just kind of discovered it randomly. It was a nice little trick. And hopefully it helps you out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next part of this video series.